Whoa. There's a tons of stuff to make. So these are the tube. That should be gonna be going way this way to this way. So
this way connect like this, and then this one will have to this needs physics.
No, I think you don't know. You need to use this. You need to use this.
How do you use these? Wait, yes, it does work. You just put this here and that here, but I'm just sure I know. So I think now I know.
So first you connect this this piece. Make a tunnel. Tanja is doing it.
And now I'm gonna put another tube.
Yeah, he's making tunnel, and the tunnel will be connected with the connector. So this is a connector. This is a connector.
I'm making a hole full of tunnels.
Oh, this is you making a long tunnel.
And then I'm gonna add these two together.
Okay, this is a long tunnel.
Wait, how would I add this together? They don't even match.
So you can mix and match together. Some will be long tunnels.
How do I even put this together? I just turn this.
And then this.
Wait, what? I'm supposed to Oh, okay. I'm second.
So there is a lock. The Tanja is making the tunnel.
Okay, so I know. You gotta close this. There's a line that goes. How do I connect these?
Okay, Resh, come sit here. Resh, Tanja is there is a little bit of lock. I think little bit of lock here. That's I show. Just connect each other. So look, so there is a little bit of lock that go each other.
Now I'll try now. And now I need one of these pieces. A sideboard.
That's you press.
Now I put them up.
Is
Go
press
up.
and is lock.
Go.
Okay. So that's becoming a tunnel. Okay.
Now I'm putting it
So
up.
how many tunnel you made?
Now I'll put in microwave. Yes, I have to build on here now. Why? How can I connect this?
You need to connect with this. This is a connector. So this is a connector. So half go inside and half go other side.
I'm trying to make the biggest track ever live in the gym.
You need to push.
Okay, I need this one.
Turn this way. Yes.
Because I'm trying to make the sideboard upward.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. That looks good. This is getting a tunnel. Long tunnel. Wow. This looks.
You know, like the rocket up to space.
No. It should be flat like that on the floor. Okay.
But they said
I can see already make a turn.
But he said they can make like a big like this. He said. Give me one sticker.
The sticker. I mean, this is the connector. Get all out. These guys are working hard.
And I'll just try to see if this works now.
What is that?
Okay, so this one is the remote. That one's the remote. This needs making charge. So I put this charger right here. Okay. Wow, that's a pretty little one. Where do I charge now?
Almost done. I just wanna turn on the mover. So that's give us a good feeling about the light. And this is the remote. I don't know why it's not working.
Give me that turn, I need it.
So this one need to go inside the tunnel.
Here, now look, I made it up. I made it go up.
Only if you go inside the tunnel, then it is gonna. This is the remote. I think
Wait,
so.
I think we got this wrong
So you're
cable.
gonna go again and go.
So put it. Gotta put it. Okay, now we just need to put these two. Can you put these two? I can put it. I can put it. I can.
I need to put inside this one. Otherwise, how you gonna go?
Okay, see how it goes. You can go. It should go. This one coming on.
So they are literally making without reading the instructions by using their IQ. right?
Imagination. I'm gonna put this up again. Learn the rule of this. Can you also put this together? Why need to connect this? Why connect this? I'll connect this.
So I think this one need to charge.
Yes, I think I know why.
This one need to charge. There's a battery, and then this one is the gear, and then once you go inside the tunnel, that press this one, and this small tool is rolling. Okay, very interesting. So this one need to go in the tunnel like that.
Okay, give me a remote. Oh, see, I'm trying to put this
But
up.
are you gonna turn on, and then maybe there is not enough charge, so
Just to go.
it's not going. Connect, close it, close this. So they make a big tunnel.
Let me see. Trying to use our thinking knowledge. Thinking knowledge is the power.
So the remote is big. So once
Gotcha. I got it. Okay, now I'm gonna connect this. Now.
you close it, almost you make the tunnel. No, it's not made good. It's not made good.
No,
It's not made good. You need to fix that.
we already got this. We got.
You need to fix very well. Yeah.
No. Okay, just ready. Okay, done. Wait, I'm trying to put this. Ready? Okay, I'll lock this.
Is all gone?
Yes.
Okay.
put
So
the
now
card-
this is a charger.
It's supposed to go up.
I need to charge before they can use it. Okay, so let's go to charge. You make a tunnel, very big tunnel. Okay, they make a carb also.
Wait, that's
Oh,
just.
carb is open. The carb is open, and then I'll charge and then break it.
Well, I'm trying to find a charger. Wait, let me find this. Charger. That's charger. That's car.
So this, I don't know how you're gonna charge this
I
one.
tell you where's the charger. You see right here?
Oh, this need a battery,
I got this. Look.
and then it will work. Okay. Now we build it. We make a charge.
Now let's
Show the.
see.
Can I show the remote, Abu?
And the remote is super big.
Okay, this is the motion. And the blinking current like that. This guy is moving like crazy. Wow. Some of this. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's so fast.
Go now.
Stuck, go back. If it is stuck, go back.
Yes,
Stuck.
going back. Come on. We tried it so hard.
Can you check it, Tasha? He can check it and fix it. Rotate the connector. Rotate the connector.
I know where to go. Catch him. Okay, he's ready.
So this car is so fast. Huh?
Don't forget the charger.
Okay. Yes. Is it fun? Is it fun? It's moving so. Stuck?
Stuck. Take this repair. The repair.
Well, how come? Okay, wait. How come? Maybe the battery is gone.
No, it's not. Because they don't run out so fast.
Okay, they're gonna fix it.
I'll make it even crazier.
If you make crazier, then it's gonna stuck.
Okay, what can I now do? Okay, put this.
Okay. Oh, they're gonna lifting one side.
Then let's put this.
Wow, this car is so good.
It's like a city.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is gonna
Let's
be.
set go.
Can this car travel?
Car travel. This is a hyperloop.
Gas station. Gas station. Gas station is always here.
Okay. So who give this to you?
So after PETA, there's the next house. They give it to PETA.
So it's
not
a
to
gift.
us. And then PETA gives to us.
So okay. So do you wanna say thank you?
Yes.
What?
Thank you.
Thank you, neighbor,
Okay.
for giving this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can I make more? I should have.